Hello everyone! I loved my previous Gem12 so much that I bought another one for my wife. This time I bought a 6900HX version, which is a bit cheaper but still a very powerful machine. On this release there's some minor differences. I didn't spot them right away, and I bought a silver one again. There are some differences too, and there too. We will see that later. The accessory box, which contains a power supply unit, which is different. It's no more a USB-C or some sort of USB-C, but just a round jack. Then two SSD heat spreader, which is generous, as this machine contains a 1 terabyte drive, an HDMI cable, and that very strange part. I couldn't help but open it to see what's inside. I wanted to be sure there were the 1 terabyte drive and a little bit of surprise because it opens the other way. Here is the machine inside. First, the aerial cable for the Wi-Fi card is not going on the cover, but inside. That means the Wi-Fi antenna are on the top. There are some minor differences that I did spot and mark with the yellow arrow, but the best one for me is the Wi-Fi. The ports are different too, a jack for the power. Oculink is now further from the USB 4 on the front. This was my conclusion of the precedent review, and as you can see, two minor dislikes are gone now, so it's better. I was around 60 megabytes of throughput via Wi-Fi, now I'm over 100. I have my own way to put the rubber feet, so I don't have to remove them when I want to open the box. I used the provided software, which is fine, no bloatware anywhere, and everything works perfectly. So I'm very happy with the new machine, except for one thing. I cannot drive it with one single cable from my Samsung monitor. That's a bit sad. It was nice. I don't know, maybe I need some more settings than the previous one. I did P3T to 70 watts, but for now I need to plug it to the main plus the USB-C to the video of the monitor. I also tried with a 90 watt USB display, but no luck, so I tried with my power bank. As you see, when it's running, it's consuming about 5 to 10 watts more than the CPU, which is correct. So does it work? Well, it works kind of until I apply a load. In that case, it turns off, so there must be something. I contacted the support, so I will give update if there's something to do with that problem. For now, you should stick to the older model if you need that power delivery functionality. Anyway, it's a fine machine. I like it a lot, very silent and powerful. That's it for today. I hope you liked my review. It's a shorter one. You can see the other one which is available. See you then, and Happy New Year!